Welcome back 10th standard. Today we will be doing question number 7 from exercise 11.2. In the question you have been given to draw a circle with the help of a bangle. That means that you are not given the center of the circle. So the first thing will be to identify the center of the circle. Right here I'm drawing a circle, but in this case the center is visible. We will assume that we do not have the center of the circle that we are drawing. So the first step will be to obtain the center of a circle for which the center as such is not marked. So the first step will be to draw two non-parallel chords for that circle. So here I've drawn two non-parallel chords. Then for each chord you have to construct perpendicular bisector. So for the two chords that I have drawn here in this construction, I'm going to construct the perpendicular bisectors one by one for each of the two chords. The point of intersection of the two perpendicular bisectors will be the center of the circle. So once I'm done with the construction of perpendicular bisectors here, you will see that the perpendicular bisectors actually intersect at the center itself. So in case there is a circle for which you do not have the center and you want to find out the center of that circle, you will construct perpendicular bisectors of two non-parallel chords in that circle. The point of intersection of the perpendicular bisectors will help you identify the center for that circle. So here I have almost done the construction for the perpendicular bisectors. And when you draw those perpendicular bisectors, you will see that each of the perpendicular bisector passes through the center, and hence you will be able to see the point of intersection is actually the center. So here I can see that the center of the circle is the point of intersection of perpendicular bisectors. After that, you have to take a point outside the circle. So I've taken a point outside the circle. You have to construct a pair of tangents from that external point to the circle. So the steps are simple. To construct a pair of tangents from an external point, the first step is to connect that external point to the center of the circle. The second step is to obtain the midpoint of that line segment which connects the center of the circle to the external point, because later we want to draw a circle with this line segment as diameter. So we want to find out the center for that circle. The center will be the midpoint of this line segment which joins the center to the external point. So again, for this line segment joining the center to the external point, I'm constructing a perpendicular bisector in order to obtain the center for the circle that I need to draw with this line segment as diameter. Here I have constructed the perpendicular bisector. I have now obtained the midpoint of this line segment. This midpoint will act as the center for the circle that I'm going to draw with line segment joining the center to the external point as diameter. Adjusting the compass accordingly and then drawing a circle. The points where this circle intersects the original circle will act as the points of contact. So you can mark those points of contact as per your choice and then join or draw line segments from that external point passing through these points of contact, and hence you obtain the tangents to the circle as indicated.